guys, today I went to Walmart, and I spent $50 to get all these toys. So I'm gonna unbox this one with you. So I'm gonna open it. Okay, I'm not gonna look. I got a soda cat. I'm gonna unbox another one. Okay, just open this one. I got a pickle. It's a little pineapple pickle. I thought they were squishy. Another one. Okay. This one's my favorite. Come back in the next video to open magic mix.